welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dion. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Thank you for coming along with another video. So guys, it's Saturday morning. It's like 9:30 now. So I'm getting ready to go run some errands really quick, and I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. I'm going to say I'm tired, to say the least. And it's raining outside. And like when it rains, it make me have a headache sometimes because of the air pressure. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go run some errands. I was up kind of late last night. I need to really get my sleep pattern together. But yeah, I just wanted to send positive energy and vibes to everyone way. Wishing everyone a peace of mind. And just we're going to stick in here, guys. It's going to get better. Just keep pushing and just keep being motivated and just keep having faith and just keep believing. I'm just trying to do a little something in my hair because I need to wash it. I really need to get her done. I got me a new hairbrush, y'all. Yeah, I'm about to crack her open and try her out. Oh, so yeah, this is my new brush. And it looked like when I wear my hair wet, when I want to do a curly, style, I could just have it wet and brush it with these bristles. So this is a nice brush. It's hard, but not too hard. I need to sit down and make me a little list right quick before I leave. That way I won't forget nothing. I'm gonna have a fresh face look today. All I'm gonna do is just put some moisturizer on my face. That's it. And some chapstick. Keeping it real simple around these parts. This Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water that I'm gonna spray on my face. Alright, that's it. Alright. So who knows what my hair gonna be looking like later. So this little hair scrunchie right here, I'm gonna put it in my jean pocket. And what I'm gonna do while I'm out and about, if I see my hair starting to do this, I'm gonna just pull it back like this. Hey my chat partners, I'm back. So as you guys can see, it's raining outside. It's nasty, y'all. So I went on ahead and just put my hair in the little pony for now and got my little umbrella. So I'm about to go run these errands real quick. I'm sleepy. Y'all. I'm tired. I went to bed like this morning at 5 something, so I ain't even ate breakfast yet, but you know what, it's all good. Everything gonna be okay. I think I'm gonna have to grab me a bite to eat or something while I'm out. It's a Saturday. Yeah, what I'm getting ready to do now is go run these errands. I'll film as much as I can, film some content when I get back home because it's raining outside and I won't be doing anything. And I won't be working out today. I worked out 3 days in a row, so I worked out Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, so today is a rest day for me. And I'm going to get some things done around my house. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys a little bit. Let me go ahead on and get on this road. Got back in the house for running errands. Y'all, I'm tired. And plus I got a headache because I haven't eaten anything today. 38. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a grocery haul. I actually went to Publix to go grocery shopping because I heard that they be having like some good deals, like buy one, get one. Let's just say I did see a few things that was buy one, get one, but I spent some money in Publix because I got a lot of food that hopefully it'll last for like maybe 2 weeks or so. One thing I can say about Publix, a lot of their stuff is like $4.99 or $4.69. But that $4.99 stuff, it adds up if you ain't really paying attention to it. So I went, actually, this was my first official Publix grocery shopping trip. And I must say, overall, it was a good trip. The store is clean. The food looks nice. It's very neat in there, and I can say everything is put in place, and the produce, it looks amazing to me. Like, the workers in there was really nice people. I can say that. The only thing I experienced I didn't like, a lot of the people in the store was like looking at you like if you even just blink your eye, they gonna melt. All that's going on in the world, and which I can understand because some people are scared, and I'm scared and may feel a little uncomfortable. I get that, but it's at the end of the day, we have to realize what's gonna happen is gonna happen, and we are still human. We have to be respectful and mindful of that because we're all going through the same thing. It's not like this person going through it, but this person not. It's nothing wrong with smiling and saying, "Hey, how you doing?" Because being shut in and being on lockdown is not a good feeling. And then you have people who have lost loved ones, who have gotten sick, people who have lost their jobs, and just going in the store and smiling and saying, "Hey, how you doing?" Energy rejuvenating to the other person. Long story short, I know a couple of weeks ago when I was in Food Line, and it was a lady and her husband in line behind me, and I said, "Hey," and he was like, "Hey," and she was like, "It feels so good to have people speak to you." She was like, "Cause sometimes people act like they don't want to speak to you." I was like, "Yeah, I know." And her husband, I was like, "What you getting ready to cook? You getting ready to cook you a roast?" He was like, "Yeah, they got the roast on sale, blah, blah, blah." Do people know certain acts of kindness, such as a hey, a smile, or just a gentle nod? That's us defeating the virus. That's us defeating what's going on in the world and moving past it. But enough about my rambling. Let me get on with this grocery haul. Okay, guys, so I got some roasted garlic naan dippers, if that's what you call them. I got some single hummus packets, some turkey meatballs, some broccoli, and I got maybe 4 packs of broccoli. I got some Asian style quinoa, basil vegetable dumplings, some vegan sausage, some sweet tomatoes, zucchini, squash, black bean quinoa veggie burgers, some ice cream, Belvita soft baked breakfast bars, some blackberries, mango, mushrooms, some vanilla wafers, and some cereal. Cranberry nut mix, Vidalia onion petals, tangelos, some pretzels, veggie kebabs, onions and peppers, carrots, pistachios, cranberry ginger ale, and you guys know I love me some cranberry ginger ale, cranberry juice, spaghetti sauce, some chessman cookies, some little minis for a snack, some veggie burgers, some yogurt covered pretzels, tofu crumbles, some noodles, rice, baby kale blend, spinach. I got some chipotle mayonnaise, honey, raspberries, blueberries, granola bars, green beans, tea, avocados, applesauce, potatoes, sweet potatoes, pot stickers, bananas, apples, corn. I got some soy sauce and some sweet chili sauce, and I got some immune shots, pudding, red potatoes, chessman cookies. So you guys know I'm finna make another banana pudding. Red onions, frozen meals, wrap, and I got some strawberries. I also went to Aldi's, guys, and got a couple of things. Some wafer cookies, some lemons, eggs, and I got these frozen meals. I also got this wine, which is the Winking Owl Sweet Red. This wine is a sweet wine, and I like sweet drinks. $2.49, you can't beat it. So I got me 2 of those. And yeah, so that completes my grocery haul. My pantry need organizing again. Look at this, y'all. This is a mess already. Ain't been 2 weeks. But it's all good. Need to get that straight. But it won't be today. Hey. Okay, guys, here is lunch. Quinoa and a veggie kebab. Sweet and simple and healthy. Okay, guys, I'm back. So what I'm getting ready to do is eat me a little snack. This right here. This little chicken, what is it? Chicken breast rotisserie seasoned lunch meat. It's good. All I did was heat me up a couple of pieces in the microwave for like 20 seconds. Y'all, that's a good little snack. It's good. I don't even need no bread with them. No mayonnaise, no mayo, no tomato, no nothing. This tastes good like bologna that be in the country store, that slab bologna that they cut off the thing with the little hole. What is the little rind on around it? Just what is good like that. I'm also getting ready to take this little shot right here. It is an immunity rebound shot. It has elderberry and probiotics. I'm going to take this because I got this from Publix today. So when I got a little bit colder, so I'm going to drink this.
How much were it?
It was one brand that had buy one, get one free. And then the other one was like $2.99 a piece or something like that.
So why you going to buy that and you could buy the immunity shot from my store?
How much they cost in the store?
$20.
That's why, because they $20.
A whole month supply,
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm going to try this and see what it tastes like. It's strong. It tastes... I think it got ginger in it. Yeah. It's good. Miracle, get ready to drink yours.
You can't have no princess.
This is good. It got ginger in it. This ginger is hot. My throat burning.
Yeah, that's why I can hear your teeth. Like,
Okay.
bite through the meat.
And y'all know what? Eventually, I'm going to stop eating meat, too. When, I don't know, but I am going to stop. Eat meat like that anyway. But I'm going to stop altogether. It's a process. I'm going to do it slowly but surely.
Can you hand me some red pepper garlic?
How you ask me to hand you something? I'm recording a video.
You can edit it out.
Man, it isn't out. All right, I'll check with you guys a little bit. Miracle, go ahead and take your shot.
Don't have me on there with my hair.
I'm not having you on there. I know, boo. I'll check with you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. So what I'm getting ready to do now is make me and my daughter some pot stickers for dinner tonight. Something quick, simple, and easy. Okay, guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. Got my little wine poured. I'm getting ready to drink and enjoy this. It's so good, y'all. I don't got no little fancy glass. I'm using this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, you guys are great. Take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys. Bye.